on Amazon Music.
Alright, let's do this. The first time I saw this... First time I saw this amphibian was on Jurassic World. And now we're finally gonna draw him. Tonight we're gonna draw Limnoscelis. Yes, this guy's a carnivore. Well, actually, this one is a fish eater. Not considered a actual carnivore if it only eats fish. Send in the bots. Right? Oh, now we just draw this part here. From what I've learned, I have reason to recognize that this sea monster, that this crocodile-related creature came before the dinosaurs. I know. Interesting, huh? Anyway, there he is. That's how you draw Limnoscelis. There we go. Looks amazing. Definitely worth drawing. Thumbs up, guys. Anyhow, that's how you draw Limnoscelis. Let me know what dinosaur you want me to draw next, or what other prehistoric animal you want me to draw next. Don't worry, guys. I'm always here, and I won't stop until they're all complete. Well, based on my dinosaur playlist. Drawing dinos is one of the many things that makes me happy.